Are you about to list your home for sale in the San Francisco Bay Area? Here are 7 quick tips for preparing your home for sale. I'll be covering them in this episode, so stay tuned. Welcome back. My name is Corpus. I'm a realtor in the Tri-Valley area in the East Bay of the San Francisco Bay Area, and I post videos every Friday about all things real estate. Here are the 7 things you should do to prepare your home if you want to sell it faster and for more money. Tip number 1. This is a big one, and every seller has to do it. You need to get rid of all your clutter and deep clean every room. Yes, it's exhausting and time consuming, but seriously, if your house isn't clean, no one is gonna wanna buy it. I recommend 2 things to every one of my clients: declutter and have it sparkling, spick and span clean at a minimum. Get started decluttering right away because it'll probably take you longer than you think. I have seen firsthand too much clutter can hold up a sale. Now, the typical American home, I think I read somewhere, has something like 3,000 items in it. So the best thing a home seller can do even before the house is listed is start going through the house, and anything that you don't use on a weekly or monthly basis, get rid of it. And now, because that'll be one less thing that you have to deal with, and it's also going to benefit the sale because less stuff in your house is going to make it look bigger and cleaner and neater. Tip number 2, repairs. Once you're done cleaning your house from top to bottom, it's time to fix anything that needs to be repaired. But don't take on any big renovation projects unless they're crucial to your home's function and safety, because there is no guarantee that you'll see a return on investment in the sales price. And remember this go-to rule for repairs. The rule of thumb is anything that is structural in nature or mechanical in nature should be fixed if they know it's a defect. So if a seller knows that their heating system isn't working the way it should, they should get it repaired. Tip number 3, spruce up the inside of your house. Put a fresh coat of paint on every wall. As for paint color, gray is a hot trend right now, but psychological research on the effect of color shows that more people prefer neutral beige or white walls, so keep that in mind. You can add extra life to your home by making everything shine, polish the hardware on doors and cabinets, and give hardwood floors a once-over with refinishing polish. Tip number 4, curb appeal. Get outside and take a long look at your house. Your home's curb appeal can make or break a sale because it's the first impression visitors have of the house and sets the mood for the whole tour. If the walkway to your front steps is stained and dirty and your deck looks worn from the weather, rent a power washer. You can remove layers and layers of dirt, and while you're focusing on your home's curb appeal, give your front door some attention. Look at every detail because that's what buyers will do. Curb appeal is very important. A lot of times when an agent is opening up the lockbox, the buyer is standing in the entryway kind of looking at these things. So you want to make sure that there's no cobwebs hanging from the carriage light or the ceilings. Tip number 5, staging. Work with your real estate agent to stage your house in a way that highlights its best features. The National Association of Realtors reports that 77% of buyer's agents say staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. Tip number 6, professional photos. Once your home is staged, take professional photos for your home's listing. Most people search for homes online nowadays, and the National Association of Realtors reports that 44% of buyers found their home they purchased on the internet, so high quality pictures are a must. Tip number 7, lastly, once your house is all ready for buyers to see, create a plan for showings. A buyer could request a showing at any time, so it's important to be prepared to leave in a moment's notice, which means making sure the house always looks good. It may be a few weeks until your home sells. To avoid driving yourself up the wall, re-cleaning every day, try to spend as much time out of the house as possible. Don't make messy meals, and find a friend or family member to take care of your pets during a showing. These 7 steps will help you be super prepared to sell your house. Remember, start deep cleaning and decluttering ASAP. Make repairs, but only the ones that are necessary. Spruce up the interior with paint and polish. Give your exterior and entryway extra attention. Stage to highlight the best features and take high quality photos of your house looking its best. And make sure you and your house are ready at all times for showings. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You may also want to check out my past video on selling house as is. The link to that video is at the top corner of the screen. Again, I'm Dale Corpus from eXp Realty in San Ramon, California, and I help buyers and sellers throughout the Bay Area and Tri-Valley, and I'll see you in my next video.